friends, today I'm going to reveal 6 fidget and 1 bonus fidget. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So the first fidget is this, a monkey noodle. I love the color of it and I love to stretch it. And I know I did a blue one on the other video, but today I'm going to be doing a pink one. Well, if you guys know, it has a little hole in it. And next fidget is this owl puppet. I love the owl puppet because if you pop all of them on the front, that's what it makes. And that's what I like about this little fidget. And next one is this puppet, which I love. It's a strawberry, and I love strawberries, and I like the color of it, and I like the shape. And if you guys could see, there's little mini strawberries on the puppet. And I like the sound of it. So, and the next fidget is the stress ball. I know I already did this one on the other video, but I'm going to show it again, just in case you didn't see my other video of the fidget. So I like the color. If you're stressed, you could take it anywhere. What I like about it. And next is a whoopee cushion. I don't know if you've ever seen a whoopee cushion, but I'm going to show you what it does. So first you have to take this and open it and blow. Okay, that's what it does. And then you put it under your bottom, and then it makes a fart sound. But that's not a real fart. It's just the whoopee cushion making a sound like this. Look. And see? Oh. That's what it makes. And the next fidget is gonna be this pop tube, but we have a little guest joining our pop tube. It's this. So the pop tube, it's a pink one, and pink, blue, and green. If you want to know, my favorite color is green. So, and if you blow in it, you have to turn your mouth and go. And it makes a loud sound because there's a little thing, orange thing attached into it. No, it's completely stuck. And that's what I like about this, because I like the color of the pop tube, and I like that it makes a sound. And if you put your finger in it, it makes no sound. That's what happens if you put it in like that. If you put it in, that's what sound it makes. And time for the bonus one, which is this little octopus. You could push his head to the other side. And there's some little pockets on the other side. That's what I love about this one. This is my 10th favorite one. I don't know. And I'm going to be ending the video now. If you didn't see any, I had the pink monkey noodle first. And then it was the strawberry. And the octopus. And the owl. The stress ball. This. And the whoopee cushion. Have a nice day, guys. And before I say bye, make sure that you give it a like, and subscribe, smash that like button, and give us 1 view or 2 views. And this is a new video that I just posted today. Bye, friends.